Hello, my name is Arvind Kumar. Today I'm going to talk about User Journey Analytic Agent. This is an AI-powered user experience platform where it will transform user struggles into opportunities using real-time AI and predictive analysis. Okay, so for that, to demonstrate that, I created two applications. One is the mortgage agent where user comes here, watches some videos and uploads some documents. And the second application is an analytic agent dashboard where internal users will check what are the users struggling with and how many errors are there. Or there's a normal dashboard. Okay, so let's say user came here and he's trying to see some videos related to financial planning, and let's say he's trying to get a product based on his loan amount, his interest rate, and his number of years. He tried it the first time. He did not like this product. He changed the number of years and he changed the interest rate and also the amount. Second time he tried, he went back, and at this point, our Bedrock Nova agent and our SageMaker is trying to see what user is struggling with, and it immediately gives a pop-up. This is a pop-up which is driven by our AI analysis. So you can see here, this is the dashboard where the internal users will see. Okay, so you have the user trends, what is the engagement of the user on videos, and automated behavioral tracking, and all the events are tracked here. So this analysis is provided by our Nova, AWS Nova agent, which is an AI model which is the smallest in the Nova family. um, so so see here, the user has the mod. So this is directed by, so the score is 70. um, and we can see the recommendations provide a clear cut CTA, and for now we provided a pop-up for that. So I can show you the events quickly. So these are the struggle events which are created. So if the number, so this is the config parameter, the risk score is calculated using SageMaker. So the risk analysis, if there are more than 470s, I triggered that intervention pop-up by AI, and this description is what you saw in analytic dashboard here. So these are created by our Nova agent, and I'll little bit show on the architecture of this application. So you can see here the main flow, right? So here, this is the main application flow. Okay, we have user who is performing actions with difficulty. That's a struggle event is sent to event processor. This is a lambda, and then it went to future engineering and SageMaker, where it calculates the risk score, and the risk score is sent to the Bedrock agent, which have the Nova inside it, right? So this is analyzing this struggle pattern, and the struggle did the analysis based on the recommendations, and it executed a intervention. Okay, this executed a critical intervention which sends immediate alerts, and there are multiple ways to handle this. For now, I'm just showing live chat offer, where a live agent will ask what is the problem with the user, and he will sort out the things for the user because he struggled a little bit. So here, without a manual intervention, we are using AI to give the pop-up and help the customer without leaving the application. We can do support team alert, or we can immediately respond based on what, if user is having a P1 issue, we can immediately respond, and for others we can do the other options. And here similarly we have video analysis workflow, we have proactive intervention workflow which we just saw, and we have personalized journey orchestration, right? Based on what user is interested and which kind of application he wants to see. So there are many use cases which we can implement. So here, backend is developed in Spring Boot, which is running on 8080, and we have two applications: analytic dashboard, which is an admin portal, 3001, and the user is the actual application. We have integrations with while Firebase. We have WebSocket communication between the two applications. Firebase events are also taken along with the DynamoDB application. So we have all the processing layers here: intervention executor, struggle detector, video analyzer, and Kinesis data stream is also integrated here. Like that, I can show you, this is the architecture, infra architecture of AWS, where we have all the applications, and we have the lambdas here. Similarly, this is the data flow which I shown you the first time. So this is a he was for now he's using a calculator. We track the event and we send all the events here, right? So I can show you how we developed here. I can show you the lambda which we created. So this is the event processor lambda which takes the events, which process the inputs and send it to the application, right? So this is going to be this, and here this is the main admin portal where we see the struggle events, and all the struggle events can be shown here. So this 70 is in config parameter right now. We can increase this to 85 so that we won't get the intervention very often. So for just demo purposes I have it at 70 so that we can see the struggle signal. Thank you all, that's all I have. Bye bye.